Hello, GRC119, Michael here. As I mentioned in a previous video, I wanted to quickly go over some of the things I talked about, such as the college level writing, the rubrics, and the samples of written responses from excellent to unacceptable. So let's go ahead and do that. Here I'm at the home page for 119. Go to modules, and then we'll go to week 1 module. And right here, samples of written responses from excellent to unacceptable. I'm sure you've all read this, but I want to go over it quickly. So I already have it open here for the sake of time. So when you're doing your own work, I want you to take a look at this and compare your work to this work. Do you have an excellent answer? Are you looking at 5 paragraphs here of good information with examples, maybe some hyperlinks, maybe some images? Or are you at an average answer? Kind of solid response that answers the question, but it's only 1 paragraph, talks about 1 example. Go above and beyond. Okay, and definitely don't come down here to unacceptable. Your opinions are great, but I want you to back them up with supporting evidence. Which brings me to the rubrics. So let's do that. I'm going to bring up the discussions rubric. So this is the basis of grading here. Every assignment you have, every discussion assignment you have here will be graded in this kind of rubric. Now, it's all about the quality of construction, content relevance and understanding, and timing, right? So you want to shoot for level 4 always. Meets criteria for level 3, plus demonstrates superior grammatical correctness and sense of personal style, effortless prose. Written, there's pieces here for written and video. Okay, so you can do a written if you want, you can do a video, as long as you're following these basic rules here. You can see they're all broken down into points. And here's some easy points right here. Post by Sunday at 8 o'clock. Post by Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Easy points, so make sure you're doing that. Even if you're doing a video, you need to respond to other students. You can use a video or you can use written. It's up to you. So watch these here. If you guys have questions about any of this stuff here, please let me know. You don't want to be down here. You don't want to be structurally disorganized. You don't want to be lacking insight. You want to express your opinion. Okay, so please look at this rubric, and if you have questions, let me know. Speaking of rubrics, again, we're going to cover the assignment rubric here. We'll just use the assignment 1 rubric. So here you have the due date, the explanation of what's expected, how many points it's worth, and if you come down here, every single assignment is going to have this same exact rubric for the most part. The points may be different depending on what's going on here. But again, we have unacceptable to excellent. You want to shoot for excellent in every assignment. Outstanding response with superior supporting examples. Unusual insights. Reasoning, explanation, superior mastery of content, as opposed to apparent lack of effort or comprehension. So how do you get this? Refer to the samples of written responses from excellent to unacceptable. That's a good place to start. Also, you could use hyperlinks, you could use images, you can use research from the book, you can use quotes, anything that's going to back up what you're saying. Please remember these are essay questions, so I expect essay answers, all right? And then, of course, total points, and so on and so forth, all right? Now, as far as formatting, I prefer that you use doc or docx. So here I have a Word document. The reason you want to use Word or something similar is because they have a spell check, right? Review, spelling, and grammar. Always do that before you turn something in. Okay? Also, I cannot do online grading to your paper if you have an RTF or an OTF or a different file extension. So make sure you're using DOC or DOCX. If you're not sure what that means, go ahead and let me know and I'll help you out with that. And as far as college level writing, I expect good grammar, punctuation, capitalization, anything that you would have in an English class. Remember, this is a general education course. So again, here you go, samples of written responses. Are there any misspellings here? Is all the punctuation here? That's what I'm looking for. If you guys have any questions, let me know.